So let's look at creating an NFT on EOS using the Atomic Hub. I'm going to navigate to eos.atomichub.io. And because I've logged in previously, I'm automatically logged in. You will likely be prompted to go into the upper, if you go to the upper right-hand corner, click on sign in. You're going to be given the option to sign in using one of a few authenticators or wallets. Go ahead and choose the Anchor wallet, assuming you've been following along in this series, and follow the prompts on the screen, and that'll get you logged in to Atomic Hub. Then you want to go over to the NFT Creator, and you can see I've already created a few collections. We can take a look at the AWS Cert Ref collection that I've created. I've got one schema for the representative credential. You can take a look at that schema. You can see the attributes associated with it. And I've got one NFT that I've created that represents my AWS Cloud Practitioner certification. So we'll go back, and to create a new one, fairly straightforward. We'll go ahead and say create new collection. I am going to add a collection photo, and let's see what I want to do here. I want to create a collection representative of my Microsoft certifications. And so I need to edit this image, but we'll go ahead and use it for now to complete the demonstration here. So I'll add that to the collection, give it a name, call it MSFT Cert Ref 1. I believe that's 12 characters. 4, 8, 12, yep. So that's cool. And I'll say Microsoft certifications here. Should suffice. And you can put in a description, put in a URL if you'd like to do that. I'll forego those, and I'm going to go ahead and create the collection. Transaction fee acknowledgement. Yep, that's fine. I'm going to open up my Anchor wallet to authorize the transaction. And that's as simple as sliding a slider on the screen of my mobile device. And there we have our successful transaction. We now have a new collection for my Microsoft certification NFTs. So what I want to do now is create a schema. Let's go down to create schema. I'll give it a name. I'll also call it credential. And I want to add a few attributes. So we want a date achieved. Make that text. When does it expire? Let's see, we want a authentication URL. Perhaps a certification ID. And I think those are all the attributes we would need for a credential. So I'll go ahead and create the schema. Again, accept the fee, the nominal fee here on EOS. And again, I will sign this new transaction. All right, and that's successful. And so now I can I can create the NFT. So if I go into the credential, I'll scroll down and I'll go ahead and mint a new NFT. NFT owner is going to be me. It's going to be one of one, no template. The name of the NFT is going to be Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. All right. The date that I achieved that is November 26th. Is, let's say, good for 2 years. The auth URL for these certifications, the Microsoft certifications, those are generated on demand. So I'm going to say here, available upon request. And what is my cert ID? There's the cert number. All right. And we want to add an image. When we add this image, that will fill in the little field here as well. So we'll go add image. All right, there's our image for our certificate. And with that, we will go ahead and create the asset. All right, all of that looks good to me. Confirm. Accept the transaction fee. And go ahead and sign it. All right, and that's successful. Super fast, powered by EOS. And there we have it. So we go back, see our NFT here. I didn't want to go to the marketplace. Let's go back here. All right, there is my NFT, my certificate image, all the pertinent details. And it is as simple as that. All right, so we have another collection here. I'll fix this image here. I'll zoom in on the actual badge to make sure it shows up prominently like it does here for the AWS stuff. But yeah, that's all it takes to create an NFT collection and then create an NFT within that collection on EOS using the Atomic Hub. Hope you found it useful. Leave me some comments down below, and you will see me, or at least my screen, in the next video.